Ladies and gentlemen, it is here. It is big. The very first of its kind. The Hosanna Conventional Conference, brought to you by the Evangelical Anglican Church International, running from the 18th to the 21st of August. Come and let us all witness the glory of the Lord. Come and let us all be saved. We'll be running under the theme extracted from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 1, verse 6 and 7. Break camp and advance. We'll be at the Vumba Eagles Training Center. Come in all your numbers. Come and let us witness the
You're
glory
kindly
of
advised that to register with your respective assemblies, $10 for those out of Mutare, and from Eben, that is Mutare, you are required to pay $12 for the conference fee. And please note that the conference fee does not include transport fee. As for transport, your assemblies will organize. Thank you.
Remember, it is the first.
Don't miss out.
See you there.
Jose.